This is Mindy McIntosh Shutter, and I'm going to show you how to grow white and pink Gerbera daisies. Now, regardless of the bloom color, Gerbera daisies are grown exactly the same. You will need to place them on a sunny windowsill. If you don't have that, find a location that is partly shady, but never put them in a completely shady location. Also, make sure that you have enough airspace around your Gerbera daisies. Now, a golden rule to follow: if your Gerbera is in a 4-inch pot, you need 4 inches of space all the way around for good air circulation, and that will help reduce the chances of developing any type of fungus problems. Also, you will need to water from the bottom up, never from the top down. And that is another move that you can use to prevent any type of fungal problems. And how do you water from the bottom up? There are 2 techniques that you can use. One technique is by simply poking a hole in the bottom in the decorative foil sleeve that your Gerbera daisy's in. You can then place your Gerbera daisy in a bowl with some water. If you don't want to poke holes in your decorative sleeve, you can simply remove the plant from the sleeve and place it in the bowl of water. But make sure to take out your Gerbera daisy and allow it to drain completely in another empty bowl before putting it back in the sleeve. If you use the sleeve method with the holes poked in the bottom, make sure that you put your Gerbera daisy in a saucer after you have watered it, and that way you will protect your windowsill and/or your furniture.